everyone, and welcome back to another round of crochet goodness. For this project, we will be using a crochet thread. This is a lace weight, but you can use any yarn of your choice. We will also use a 2.5mm crochet hook or the hook that will go with your yarn. We will also use a yarn needle and a pair of scissors. If you are new to this channel, my name is Kat and you can follow me on Instagram as well as on my Facebook page at What About Yarn. To start off, we're going to work a slip knot and then chain 8. Once you have 8 chains, you're going to hold that very last chain, the 8th chain, and then chain another 4. 3, 4. This will be then our first heart. And once you have that, you're going to work 3 double crochets into the 4th chain from the hook. So that's the first double crochet, 2 and 3. After that, we're going to work a slip stitch into that same chain. Slip stitch and then chain 3. And again work 3 double crochets into that same chain. So 1, 2, 3. After that, we're going to work a slip stitch into that chain that we just blocked earlier, the last chain, the 8th chain. So slip stitch into that. And after this, we're just going to repeat the same pattern again. So chain 8. And again block the very last chain and chain another 4. And again work 3 double crochets into the 4th chain from the hook. And 3. So slip stitch, and again chain 3, 3 double crochets into the same chain, 2 and 3, and again slip stitch back into the 8th chain. So that will be then the pattern that you will repeat for this project. So keep on repeating this pattern until you have the length that you need for the project that you will be making. So pause the video and meet me back later. So here, as you can see, I have 4 hearts in total. And actually, you can even use this as is because I think it is already nice as is. So to continue, we're going to work now backwards. So on the next 3 stitches or 3 chains, we're going to work 3 single crochet. So single crochet, that is 1, 2 and 3. We have now 4 chains left in our project. So we will repeat the same pattern for the heart again. Chain 4, 3 double crochet into the 4th chain from the hook, so on and so forth. So just repeat the pattern for the heart for this part. Okay, so instead of placing a slip stitch into the next chain, we're going to work a slip stitch first into this same chain right here. So slip stitch, and after that we will slip stitch again back into the chain, back into the fourth chain here. So we have now 3 chains left, and on those 3 chains we're going to work 1 single crochet. So we will also work a single crochet into the chain that where our heart was. So 1 single crochet in there, and we are left with 7 chains as well. So again, repeat the pattern that you did earlier. You're going to work 3 single crochet and then do the heart, and then continue working a single crochet until you reach the very end of the row. So friends, that marks the end of this tutorial. If you will make this applique, please tag me on social media at whataboutYarn. I would really like to see what you make with this one. If you like this video, please hit like and subscribe. That would really mean so much to me. Thank you so much guys for watching, and I will see you on the next video. Bye!